But I think Mangalam is now joining in. Mangalam, first let's talk about Sapphire.
Well, you guys have been talking about, oil and gas, etc. I thought I'd just lighten things up and speak about some of the brilliant, product numbers that have come in. Numbers not necessarily brilliant. So we start with Sapphire Foods. Of course, they are the franchisers for Yum in India along with Devyani. Weak numbers coming in. Revenue growth at just 8% and EBITDA has actually declined by 9%. Margins have come off as well, and as a result of which the company has reported a loss as against a profit, and this is led by higher other expenses. So the EBITDA margins as per the company impacted by higher operating expenses, lower gross margin and higher mix coming in from the delivery products as well. Key internals not inspiring much confidence as well. We have Sapphire KFC, where the same-store sales growth has been absolutely flat. KFC same-store transactions, however, have increased, so that's a positive trend I'll be keeping an eye out on. And Pizza Hut same-store sales growth down by about 8%. They've added 11 restaurants, 8 KFCs, 2 Pizza Huts and 1 Pizza Hut in Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka has been doing well, but that's a smaller part of their overall business. So what is the trigger that we have to watch out for? Two things. One, in the very near term, weakness can come in from the fact that this is the month of Shravan, where a lot of Indians turn vegetarian. So that is seasonally weak for a brand like KFC. And secondly, a positive trigger perhaps could be any potential development around consolidation with Yum franchisers. There has been this talk always. So whenever or if at all that happens, could be a positive trigger. On the other hand, Westlife Food reports numbers just came in on the exchanges, so they don't have the same store sales growth, but the initial reported numbers are good. Why do I say that? Because one, revenue has grown around 7%, but EBITDA has grown a little more. So we have an 8.5% jump in the EBITDA, margins improving by 20 basis points. That implies that there could be an element of positive same-store sales growth coming in out here. The net profit is, however, lower, but that's largely a non-cash expense, an increase in depreciation. So good for McDonald's, not so much for KFC and Pizza Hut.
That's really interesting, Mangalam, because I remember when I think you were talking about the Jubilant update, the first quarter business update. I mean, Jubilant's been inspiring a lot of confidence as well, right, with those pizzas. But Sapphire is a bit of an exception. Westlife is good. So maybe it's a Sapphire-specific story, not sure. Just hang on, because we want to talk to you about Colgate as well. But let's discuss QSR.